everyone, welcome to Pharmshala. Today we are going to discuss about iron absorption through our intestine. Now our dietary iron, the main source of our dietary iron is liver, egg yolk, meat, chicken, spinach, this kind of things. So our dietary iron generally contain three types of irons. One is ferric, one is ferrous and another one is heme. Heme can be directly absorbed into the mucosal cell of our intestine. Ferric iron should be converted into ferrous iron and then it is absorbed through a particular protein that is known as divalent metal transporter or TMT1. This is a protein which carries the ferrous iron to the mucosal cell. Inside mucosal cell, there is a protein called ferritin which can bind only to the ferric iron. So ferrous iron again converts into ferric iron and binds with ferritin. Then again ferritin releases ferric iron, it converts into ferrous iron, then it goes to the plasma through ferroportin 1. This is another transporter protein. In the plasma, ferrous iron again converted into ferric iron and then it is bind to transferrin. Transferrin protein can bind to two molecules of ferric iron. This transferrin protein along with ferric iron, it can go to the reticuloendothelial cell where it can again bind to the ferritin and this is the storage of the iron. And lastly, it can go to the erythrocyte precursor cell where it can rise the hemoglobin and this is the procedure of our erythropoiesis starts. So this is the procedure of the iron absorption through the intestine. Thank you.